A youthful figure stands between sky and earth, one hand raised with a wand pointed upward, the other directed toward the ground. Before him lies a table bearing the 4 suits of the tarot: wand, cup, sword, and pentacle. Roses and lilies bloom around him in perfect harmony. The magician is the channel of manifestation, the conscious will that draws spirit into form, the awakened ability to shape reality through focused intention. The magician himself is the central symbol. His white robe represents purity of purpose, while the red mantle draped over it expresses passion, vitality, and creative force. He stands upright and grounded, embodying the union of inspiration and action. Above his head floats the lemniscate, the infinity symbol, signifying endless potential and the continuity of consciousness. His posture declares, as above, so below, the axiom of magical creation. The wand he lifts is the first supporting symbol. It conducts energy from the invisible realm into the material world. Held lightly but deliberately, it shows mastery without force. The wand is the magician's link to divine inspiration, fire in its purest directive form. The second symbol is the table with the 4 tools. Each represents an element and a suit. The wand, fire; the cup, water; the sword, air; and the pentacle, earth. Together, they symbolize the totality of human faculties: will, emotion, thought, and body, arrayed as instruments the magician can use. Nothing is missing. He is fully equipped. The table itself is the altar of manifestation, where ideas become action. The third supporting symbol is the garden of roses and lilies. Roses signify desire, passion, and the creative impulse. Lilies signify purity, truth, and spiritual aspiration. Their coexistence reveals the magician's dual task: to merge desire with integrity, passion with clarity. They also reflect the principle that creation requires both personal longing and higher purpose. The fourth symbol is the lemniscate above his head, echoed by the snake belt biting its own tail, Ouroboros, around his waist. These symbols represent eternity, cyclic renewal, and self-sustaining power. The magician does not draw energy from others, he circulates it through intention and awareness. The fifth symbol is his gesture downward, pointing to the earth. This completes the circuit of manifestation. Inspiration alone is insufficient. It must be grounded in action, word, and deed. The magician teaches alignment, bringing inner vision into tangible form through disciplined will. Together, these symbols express mastery, intentionality, and conscious creation. The magician is the architect of possibility, transforming potential into reality through clarity of mind and direction of energy. In readings, the magician signifies skill, initiative, confidence, and manifesting power. It appears when the tools are ready, the mind is focused, and the moment ripe for action. Its counsel: choose, direct, and act. The world responds to aligned will.